多少钱可以带你回家？
只要14800就可以把我带回家了。
The future of human-like robots is getting closer. And this time, a Chinese robotics company has created a bionic female android that looks far more natural than traditional machines. Developed by Huanitech Robotics, this humanoid robot is designed not just to move like a machine, but to communicate, express emotions, and create a more human-like interaction experience. One of their best-kept secrets is their custom medical-grade platinum silicone skin formulation. This synthetic tissue is infused with micro-resistive thermal wires, allowing the robot's skin to feel warm to human touch at a constant body-like temperature, while simultaneously dampening the mechanical noise of internal motors. Beneath this skin lies a proprietary array of over 40 bio-inspired micro-actuators mapped precisely to human facial muscle groups. This allows for organic stretch and compression rather than stiff mechanical shifting. Huanitech's lineup includes the Lingda model, aimed at adults seeking everyday emotional support, featuring natural dialogue, expressive facial movements, memory of past exchanges, and the ability to be customized in appearance and personality. The Lingxi version adds gentle health monitoring prompts and daily reminders for older users who simply want someone present in the house. The processing heart is engineered to handle multimodal streams quickly enough that the expression delay stays under a couple of hundred milliseconds, keeping the exchange feeling immediate. Huanitech positions these hyper-realistic androids within the premium custom-tier market, with pricing starting at approximately $70,000 to $150,000, depending on capabilities and custom AI integration.